doesn't mean that the market will just shoot into our direction. So the best way to enter in this thing, I've decided to make, you have to take a look at 4 of these strips. If you're going up, you're going to be looking at these red strips. If you're planning to sell, you're going to be looking at these green strips. So you have to make sure that immediately after the breaking of the triangle there and on 1 hour the breaking of the moving average, 4 of them exist. And if after 4 of them, sometimes there can be more than 4, which is fine. But as long as the minimum is 4, we must pay attention, minimum must be 4. So what will be happening is that they will be helping us to enter way much earlier before the market moves. So how do we go about doing that? Just like the trade that we took a little bit later around here, but it was much of the same thing. We took the trade at around here, and this is where we saw the opportunity. So what will be happening here, we take a look at 4 strips. Okay, let's start here. Here there was 3, meaning there was not enough. Here how many were there? Red ones, like real red ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's more than 4, that means we can take it. Now the 6th one was light red. Immediately after it closes, that's where we take our first buy. It's as simple as that. And here, how many were there? Only 2, we don't pay attention. Here is more than 4. So how many? 2, 4, 6, 8. And the 9th one was light. And after that, we go in again, just like that. Even here, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. Enough. And after that, the light one, we go in again there. It's much of the same entry. Here 3, we are not going in. Here 4, we are not going in. Sorry, 4 we are going in because of the light one. On the 5th one, we are going in. Immediately after that one closes, we go in again. So this will definitely allow us to add more re-entries as the market continues to go into a direction and be able to profit from that. It's as simple as that. I tried to simplify it. It was very much complicated in the beginning. So now I'm simplifying it so that you guys can understand. Here 3, not enough. 2 is not enough. 1, 2, 3, 4. We go in again, just like that. So now we do this while looking at the overall, what is this? The overall 1 hour. And on 1 hour, what we're going to do is that to close your profit, you're going to draw a line from where you started analyzing, from where you started making re-entries. Meaning if you started making re-entries here, you're going to draw a line to a point where, let me show you how effective this thing is. If you would have made re-entries there, you're going to draw a line there and extend it. And by the time that line gets broken, that's when you know that you've eaten enough. So you must just look for 2 points that you can draw a line. Even if it happens that you were greedy or you were scared, even if you would have used those 2 points, you should have entered here and there, and when the market breaks, you even close. So it makes sense. You are still going to make money either way. So this is the simple way of going about it. It is very much effective. You just have to obviously practice it as time goes, then all will be well. Let's make another example. You can utilize this thing either on 15 minutes or even 5 minutes. Let me show you an example when we're utilizing it on 5 minutes or on 1 hour. Here's the triangle. where we can say, this is what has been happening this past week. Here. So it's an opportunity for us to draw a rectangle this time. So what is going to happen here is that, even though that's the case, even if you're operating on 5 minutes, 15 minutes, or 1 minute, it will still be the same thing, you know. You can still be able to profit from this. So, and at any time, on any pair, kind of a thing. So as long as you're on 1 hour, you do this, you know you're going to eat on all the other small pairs. So from here, the rectangle got broken here, and the moving average was already broken there. Even if I can decide, for example, to go to 1 minute, I will still eat a lot from that. And from the first point where I've entered, I'm going to draw that long line. It will tell me when I must actually close. I want to show you an example. So the market broke here. So the first time where I see 4 green, minimum 4, and after that, the light one, I shall go in. I see here 2, 3, not enough, what was not enough. So the next time I saw something nice, 4 of them, which is enough. After that, I enter again. So this re-entry method is very effective. So even in this case, okay, here there's 1, 2, 3, 4.